Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe. If you love such videos, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So today we've come over here to show you all that Mugdha stores have come to Bangalore and they have an exhibition running over here today in JW Marriott. So let's go inside and check out what all they have. So JW Marriott is located in UB City. So this is one of the top restaurants in Bangalore and this is a 5-star hotel. So Mugdha's exhibition is taking place in level 2. So let's go there and check out. So Mugdha store is very famous in Andhra and Telangana. This has beautiful sarees and all the brides, I recommend you all to go there and buy your sarees. They have beautiful collections. So they have come over here for 3 days exhibition which starts on 25th and ends on 27th. So it is just a 3-day exhibition and they have limited stocks over here. Make sure that you please visit the place. So here we enter. You can see the banner over here, Mugdha. So this is an handloom exhibition. So let's go inside and check out. So before we enter the store, they checked our temperature, they sanitized our hands. So first let's go inside and check out what all they have and let's talk about the price later. So as soon as you enter the store, you see this beautiful sarees over here. They have beautiful collections. So this is how the exhibition looks inside. They have plenty of sarees over here and they have beautiful color combinations. Make sure that you come over here and check out the store. So this is just a 3 days exhibition. It starts on 25th on December and ends on 27th of December. So tomorrow is the last day. So please go visit the store. So just look at this beautiful pattu saree. This is one of the best sarees which I've seen over here. And one thing about Mugdha is they have beautiful color combination. All the sarees have unique colors and it is very beautiful over here. So coming to price, so the pattu saree starts from rupees 50,000 and it ranges from 50 to 2 lakhs. So you have to come over here and check out. So the normal saree starts at rupees 2,000. So you also get normal sarees over here. So one best thing of Mugdha is they have beautiful organza sarees. I just love their sarees over here. Look at this beautiful organza saree. So this was ranging somewhere around 15,000 to 16,000 and you also get different colors in this. So they also have this grey color. So this is also a beautiful design. I just love all the organza sarees over here. So the sarees come with the blouse. So blouse are included in this. They also have checks organza saree and I just love these minimal colors. These are very beautiful. So as you know that this is just a 3 days exhibition. If you like some sarees, you can also contact them. You can WhatsApp them. So they will help you out in getting your sarees. They will deliver to your doorstep. If you love some sarees over here, you can visit Mugdha's YouTube channel. You will get everything over there. So they keep posting latest sarees on the YouTube channel. Make sure that you check out the YouTube channel. We totally love this beautiful organza saree from Mugdha. It is very beautiful.
బాగుంది.
బ్లౌజ్ కూడా వర్క్ ఇస్తుంది.
ఇది కూడా బాగుందండి. అంటే సేమ్ ఇది కొంచెం ఇలా డిజైన్ ఇచ్చారు. అది ఎక్కువ
కొంచెం వర్క్ ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది,
అది కొంచెం
కాస్ట్ కూడా డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది.
ఇదంతా
15 రేపు మధ్యాహ్నం అంతా తీసేస్తాం.
So they were telling us that tomorrow morning, which means 27th of December at 12 o'clock, they will be taking out the exhibition. So make sure that you come before 12 o'clock. So people who are watching this video, if you like some sarees over here and it is just a 3 days exhibition, as you know, who can't come over here, you can easily contact Mugdha's. You can go check out the YouTube channel and you can take their contact number. You can contact them and say whatever you like. They will easily deliver to your doorstep. So over here they have this beautiful stitched blouse, and this was for about 10,000, and they also have different colors, and these were very beautiful. So all the brides, make sure that you go to Mugdha's and choose your beautiful saree there. And you can also contact them and make your customized blouse. So the best sarees over here are the pattu sarees and the organza sarees, but the pattu sarees are so heavy, but you have to come over here and check out whatever you like. Though they are heavy, they are very beautiful. I just love the color combinations over here. They have beautiful and unique color combinations. The price range starts from rupees 2000 to 2 lakhs. So please come over here and check out whatever you like. And their main branch is in Hyderabad. So they come to Bangalore every 6 months. So for a year they come twice. So make sure you come over here. So this is what you can see when you enter the place. They have displayed 3 sarees over here. So here ends the video. Make sure that you visit Mugdha. We'll meet you soon on the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.